Trimming your beard just got super easy with the new Havells Accurate Beard Trimmer. It trims effortlessly, protecting your skin from scratches and irritation. Let's see how. It has hypoallergenic blades which protect your skin from allergies. The blades are also designed in a unique U-shape, ensuring a flawless trim. The 5 length settings of the trimmer give a unique stubble measure for each look. 3 mm to 7 mm. What's your perfect stubble length? Want a closer trim? Just remove the length setting comb for a precision trim. The trimmer helps to trim difficult areas like the neckline, sideburns, cheek and above and below the mustache. Time to clean your trimmer. Easy to clean with a detachable head and a cleaning brush. Now ensure proper hygiene after each use. This cordless trimmer uses a lithium-ion battery. Once fully charged, it can go on for a month. Time to let it out in style with the Havells Accurate Beard Trimmer.
Introducing the next generation of beard styling. The all-new Me Beard Trimmer. New word in dependability and consistency, with a trimmer guaranteed to last a lifetime. 40 length settings starting from 0.5 mm. Helps you achieve any look you wish to sport with 6,000 oscillations per minute. Delivering accurate cuts and even shape. With its technologically advanced self-sharpening stainless steel blades, precision at its finest. Fully loaded with an ultra-powered battery delivering 90 minutes of the ultimate beard trimming experience with just 2 hours of charging. It takes a few seconds to clean thanks to its advanced hydro-resistant IPX7 fully washable body. It's convenient and comes with a dual usage of corded and cordless settings. Comes with a travel or safety lock. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to activate the lock while you are traveling or not using the trimmer. Top it with an exceptional quad-edge design, engineered to provide the perfect grip and ergonomic comfort. The Me Beard Trimmer, made for the modern man.